Are you struggling with the SCA exam? Maybe you're not sure how to explore idea, concern, expectation. In this video, I'm going to show you an extract of a coaching session, and you learn insights, how to explore ICE and how to readdress ICE. Watch the video until the end, and if you got any questions or any comments, please let me know down in the comment section. You did not readdress the expectation, but you're trying to push your doctor agenda on admission. That's why this patient is not really open to your suggestion here, because he think he could get anti-sickness, but this was not explained before starting to discuss admission. I'll show you how to explain it.
Okay.
Well, thank you very much for getting in touch with me today, Mr. Smith. I understand that things have been very difficult with these bouts of diarrhea and vomiting, and you haven't been able to keep anything down. And you were hoping for some anti-sickness to help you today. Now, I agree with you that this problem could be due to the Chinese food that you had, so it could have led to you having an infection in your bowel. And because you do have a adrenal insufficiency, and there's a chance that you're not absorbing your medication, which is very important, the hydrocortisone, giving you anti-sickness is not going to be helpful, because you're not going to absorb it, the medication, and you're going to vomit again. There is a chance that things might get worse, and as you mentioned, you're also caring for your wife, so it's going to be difficult for you to be able to help your wife as well. So I think you do need some support. What do you think about being checked over in the hospital and having some support? So there they could give you some fluids for your vein, and then the steroid treatment, and that way you can recover quickly and then come back home afterwards. So do you see how the explanation is more patient-centered? What you're trying to do is, the patient has not agreed to go to hospital, and you say, I'll call an ambulance and then we'll get you checked, and can you involve social services? Like, you're pushing too much. Like, you're not making an agreement, a decision with the patient, but you're making the decision for the patient. The consultation is much better. You see, it's person-centered. You're readdressing the patient's ideas, concern, expectation, and making an agreement with your patient, as opposed to like making a decision for them. So they are involved in that decision making. I think there is a bit more work to do to refine it, but you're managing to do it better from this doctor-centered to more of a person-centered now. A few things I would have done here would be to explain to him that not to take the furosemide anymore, just in case he might think that he needs to take his medication. You don't want to ask him, what are you expecting? What you can do is ask them, what are you hoping today? That way it sounds more smooth, and it's not going to make them feel defensive. Are you feeling anxious about the SCA preparation? Maybe you're not getting constructive feedback, you don't know whether you're doing the right thing. If you're looking for one-to-one support, I'd love to help you. Click the link down in the description below to book a call with me to see how I can help you to pass your exam.
And thank you so much for your help, Erwin. I think the course was really, really a good course. It was one of the few ones that I kind of found quite well. I only did that one course, and I was an observer for another one. But I think just having that individualized feedback really helped.
Every simulator in the exam, they have got something to say when you ask them about expectation. Explore the ICE systematically so that you don't miss expectation. And then, more importantly, before you start to make a management plan, readdress your ICE. Because if you don't readdress the ICE and start to go into the management, then you miss that important step to allow you to get on the same page as your patient.
Okay.
So that would be my main focus for next week. Work on that so that next time you do it systematically. If you found this video useful, then I'm sure you're going to get a lot from watching this video. Click the video to watch it. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.